Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, hello Sisi Kap. Good morning. I just want to greet you happy birthday. Ayan. Wishing you always for your good health. Tapos, more blessings to come. More candles to blow. Ayan. Lagi mo sana katandaan na nandito ako para masaya. Alam kung you've been a lot of things in your life these past few days, so basta one call away lang kami. We need someone to talk. Ayan. Kailangan mo na we are here. Ayan. God bless you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Love you, Mama Chuchu. Hope to see you soon. Sisi Kap, hello. Happy birthday. I am wishing you always the best, syempre. And may God bless you palagi. And may you stay beautiful and stay strong lang sa lahat ng pagsubok sa buhay. Because I know you are a strong woman. Syempre, ganun dapat tayo, okay? I may not be there all the time for you, but andito lang ako sa amin. Busy, charis. Pili ko mukha akong matulog ngayon. At sama ng pakiramdam ko. Okay. Be happy and I love you. You know that. Sharam, 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 sharam. Eto na namang naririnig, kung baka pa itong dibdib. Lagi na lang sinasabi, pwede ka bang makatabi? Kahit sandali lang, pwede ba? Sana'y pagbigyan, sige na. Mukhang tinamaan yata ako. Kapag tumibok ang puso, wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. Kapag tumibok ang puso, lagot ka na, siguradong huli ka. Sharam, sharam, shararam, sharam, sharam, shararam.
Hi, Sisi Kap, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Alam ko na hindi tayo talaga nagkikita at nakakausap, pero alam ko na at tandaan mo na lagi ako naririto para sa'yo. Again, happy birthday. Love you. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, will you close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today? And if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Ooh.
Bigla to'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling mayroong tono, bigla na lang ubus po.
Kung saan naman kayang awitin para sa'yo, pero ang buwing sukatan titik sa tono. Sampung manak hindi diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa iyo.
Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Happy birthday! Wishing you many more happy returns of the day.